Forget everything you thought you knew about MPVs. At the 2026 Beijing Auto Show, Zeekr just dropped the hammer with the new and improved 009. This is not just a facelift, it is a total reinforcement of the luxury label. Zeekr is no longer just competing with electric vans. They are hunting for the ultra-luxury sedan market. I am Ava. Today, we're looking at the pinnacle of Chinese high-end mobility. Let us dive in. Step inside, or rather, step into the ultimate sanctuary of the future. The luxury tag here is not just for show. It makes complete sense the moment you experience the upgraded, ultra-premium Nappa leather that covers almost every touchpoint in this cabin. Zeekr has perfected the Safaro first-class seating system, which now offers passengers independent ventilation, deep tissue massage functions, and incredibly precise 20-way power adjustments to find your perfect ergonomic balance. But the real showstopper? Look up. There is a massive 17-inch OLED screen mounted to the ceiling, providing a cinematic experience for your entertainment or a crystal-clear display for your next video conference. And if you need to truly decompress after a long day, the new healing mode for the ambient lighting works in harmony with the audio system to transform the interior atmosphere instantly. Every detail, from the noise-canceling glass to the way the armrest feels, has been engineered to isolate you from the outside world. Whether you are conducting a high-stakes board meeting on the move or taking a deep sleep nap between cities, this cabin remains your private fortress. These comfort levels do not just challenge other luxury vans, they challenge the exclusivity and silence of private jets. It is a masterclass in how to treat passengers with absolute dignity, offering a level of high-tech grace that is currently unmatched in the electric MPV segment. So, what has actually changed for 2026? Beyond the refined silver wing front grille, the new 009 features a more integrated sensor suite. The LiDAR system is now more discreetly housed, maintaining that sleek, executive aesthetic. Under the skin, we see improvements in thermal management and battery efficiency, ensuring that this heavyweight champion stays on the road longer and charges faster than its predecessor. It is about sharpening the blade without losing the edge. Technically, this vehicle is a beast. Built on the SEA platform, it features a dual-motor setup that delivers a staggering 544 horsepower. That gets this luxury living room from 0 to 100 in just 4.5 seconds. But it is not just about speed. It is about the brain. The upgraded chips now handle Level 2 plus autonomous tasks with much higher precision. It is a tech powerhouse wrapped in silk. Technically, this vehicle is a beast. Built on the SEA platform, it features a dual-motor setup that delivers a staggering 544 horsepower. That gets this luxury living room from 0 to 100 in just 4.5 seconds. But it is not just about speed. It is about the brain. The upgraded chips now handle Level 2 plus autonomous tasks with much higher precision. It is a tech powerhouse wrapped in silk. The final verdict? The new Zeekr 009 is a definitive statement that the era of compromising on utility for luxury is officially over. It proves beyond a doubt that you can seamlessly blend world-class technical specifications with the kind of old-world luxury that was once reserved for elite sedans. It is smarter, richer in its configuration, and significantly more comfortable than any of its predecessors. By pushing the boundaries of what an electric MPV can be, Zeekr hasn't just updated a model. They have redefined an entire category. If you are looking for the absolute pinnacle of high-end mobility in the electric segment, your search ends right here. So, does the 009 officially retire the traditional, petrol-powered luxury vans of the past? In my view, the answer is a resounding yes. The future of executive travel is not just electric, it is incredibly refined, whisper quiet, and undeniably bold. This is the new gold standard. Stay fast. Stay smart. I am Ava. See you in the next one.